Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Ferrari. Finally a Hotwheels Ferrari. Well, they have released it this year, but I didn't find any. This is the first one I did. And this is a Ferrari SF90 Stradale. So, it's not in red, it's grey. It's alright. It's always good to see Ferraris in different colors too. It looks like a nice casting, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the SF90 Stradale out of its box, and it's been a long time since Ferrari and Hot Wheels came together to do a casting, and they finally decided to do it. People were really excited, and that's why you can't find any of these on pegs. People just get them like they see and just go crazy. So I've only found one till date. Let's talk about it. The color, I think it looks good. It's a gray metallic. Looks really good in my opinion. Since we are on the side, you can see there's a Ferrari logo. You got the mirror. You also got the vents. Wheels we have seen on so many different Hot Wheels throughout the years. They don't look bad here, but they're not out of the world. This is the main line anyways. Now you do get all the body works. The top part of this is plastic or glass, like glass area. They have used different finishes to make it look like a roof. So this is clear. It's all black, kind of like tinted, but they've used this like a matte finish on the top to make it feel like it's a roof. Do get a shark fin antenna there though. Coming to the front, good details here. You can see you've got painted headlamps. You've got the Ferrari logo up front, and then lower grille is again there with some details, and you've got a lip spoiler and some more aero in the bottom. Looks good in the front, and you can see the windshield wipers there too. You can also look at the mirror on the other side, the driver's side actually. You got the same details as you see on the passenger side. Looks good in my opinion. And this is how it looks from the top. So you can see some part of the interior inside, which I assume is finished black, and it actually looks alright because I can't see much of it because of this roof. But in the rear again you can see some details, which is not bad. It actually looks good. Coming to the back, well, you can see the tail lamp, you can see the exhaust button, stop lamps, but none of them are painted, so misses out on some details in the back. To get a splitter in the bottom here, looks good. This all looks from the top, this all looks from the bottom. So are you excited for the return of the Ferrari with Hot Wheels? I think a lot of people are, and so am I. It looks good. It's always good to find Ferraris and Hot Wheels, and I'm pretty sure they will do some premium in coming days, and I'm waiting for those. Those should look really good. But for this, I think it looks nice, looks good. It's always good to have a Ferrari. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.